Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach geography, the universe and solar system. Okay? Whoever observe the sky at night, can we count the stars? No, it's not possible because they are seen in the lakhs and countless. Who is the head of the family? Father, isn't it? Has the same solar family, sun is a head. Do you know what is mean by solar system? The sun and its member are called together solar system. We will study in detail about the solar system in this lesson. Solar means sun. Now let us enter into the lesson. The earth is a third planet in the solar system. The solar system is in the galaxy. Its name has a Milky Way galaxy. There are millions of such galaxies in the universe. Now, let us know about the solar system galaxy, the universe, and all other bodies in detail in this lesson. Numerous stars and celestial bodies came into the existence by a massive explosion is called the Big Bang. What is mean by celestial bodies? Celestial bodies means divine bodies. Then what is mean by massive? Massive means big. These celestial bodies together or the universe it's also refer to as a cosmos. Stars that you see are so far away that they appear to be small but really huge in size. Do you know sun is also a star? Okay. Next we will move on to the topic of universe. The universe is a vast expanse of space. Most astronomers believe that the universe came into existence after the Big Bang explosion that took place about 15 million years ago. The universe consists of billions of galaxies, stars, planets, comets, asteroids, meteoroids, and natural satellites. These are collectively called as celestial bodies, which are located far away from each other. A light year is a unit used to measure the distance between the celestial bodies. Next topic is galaxy. Galaxy is a huge cluster of stars which are held together by gravitational force. Clusters means collection. Most of the galaxy are scattered in space, but some remaining groups. The Milky Way galaxy was formed about 5 billion years after the Big Bang explosion. Our solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy. Andromeda galaxy is the nearest to the Earth apart from the Magellanic Clouds galaxy. Next topic is the solar system. That is our solar system. The word solar is derived from the Roman word sol, which means sun god. The solar system is believed to have from about 4.5 billion years ago. The solar system is a gravitationally bound system which comprises of the sun, the 8 planets, dwarf planets, satellite, comets, asteroids, and meteoroids. Children, I hope you all are understood clearly. Dear children, learn and write, fill in the blanks, choose the correct answer, and circle the odd one. Thank you, children.